Good morning, guys. I'm freaking starving. I want to go to the grocery store and get some stuff to make breakfast. Because personally, guys, I don't like paying for breakfast because that's something I could easily make. And most of the time, I do like my breakfast is better. But I could really go for an acai bowl right now. But I'm just gonna like go get some eggs and toast, and I'm gonna make some breakfast at home. Today's just gonna be like my first day in Nashville, kind of like on my own, you know? Like, I don't really know, but I don't really know what today's video is gonna be about, but we're heading out. I think I left my phone upstairs. Gonna need that. There's my phone. All right, I got it. So we're gonna head out. We're gonna go to Publix. Guys, usually I go to Walmart and I'm like so hyped that I don't have to go to Walmart. Like there's a Publix. Ammo, no, hey, Ammo. You gotta go inside. Look at him, guys. He's like, no, Ma, don't leave me. My dog is not stupid. Look at him right there. You see him? Ammo, come on, baby. Oh my God, guys, now he's like resisting. Ammo, you cannot come. You're gonna sit in the car when I run into Publix. All right, come on. You can come. No, this side. I guess Ammo's coming. Watch him try to get in. Go ahead, get in. Get in. He acts like he can't get in because he wants me to like lift him up. This is what we have to do. All right, you ready? He's so happy. He's like, all right, let's go. You ready? Let's go. All right, Momos, are you ready? He is such a good dog, guys. Like, on the way down to Nashville, we drove 8 hours. We've never driven that far, so I wasn't sure how he was gonna act in the car. And he literally like slept the whole ride, or he just laid down like this, and he would sit up too. He would like sit there and just like, it's just so fucking funny. He'd sit there like he fucking owns this car. Like he's like, yeah. Like he makes us feel so bougie, I swear. Emma, how you feeling? You feeling pretty good over there? You feel good? You want that window down? He's honestly not a big fan of like the window, you know, like sticking his head out there, but every once in a while. Just got home from Publix. I'm about to make some breakfast, but real quick, we got some of this Siggy's yogurt, guys. This is so fire. My sister put me onto this. It's mixed berries and acai, or acai, I call it acai, whatever. Mixed berries and acai with bananas and then granola to put in that. And then I got this really unhealthy yogurt full of sugar. It's like yogurt parfait, but they're delicious. And I got this maybe for dinner tonight. I don't know. But then I also saw this and I was like, ooh, this kind of looks good. We'll try it. It looks super healthy and I want to get back like eating healthy again. So I got fruits and then our eggs here. And then of course I got Ammo, some bones. And all that was pretty much like $30. So guys, that was like my whole what is it? DoorDash order last night. I ordered DoorDash and it was like 30 bucks for like ravioli and a salad. And I was like, geez, like I'm gonna go broke if I just keep DoorDashing things. So I just got enough food to last like a few days. Guys, we're gonna make some breakfast. I think we're gonna make just scrambled eggs, or should I do sunny side up? I don't know, I haven't figured it out yet, but we're gonna make breakfast and then take you guys along with me for the day. I went with scrambled eggs and toast with jelly with a lot of butter and a lot of salt. I love butter and salt, guys. So bad for you, but we got the fruit. We got a fruit cup. We got grapes, strawberries, apples. So good. And yeah, I'm gonna eat breakfast and then we're gonna get ready and head out. So this is my face wash, guys. It's SkinCeuticals LHA cleanser. SkinCeuticals daily moisturizer. And now we have a new part of the daily morning and night routine, because I gotta do this like at least twice a day. I need to go get cute. Fuck, I was just at Publix. I forgot to get cotton balls. I need cotton balls to do this, guys, because Q-tip doesn't really work all that well when you're trying to get like all up in like all these holes here. So I'm just gonna like dab them real quick with this. It's like sea salt water. I feel like they're a little bruised, like up here. You can see like they're just a little bruised, but they actually feel so much better. My ear was like throbbing for 2 days after I got this, but today they woke up and they feel really good. It was really hard to sleep. I had to sleep on my back. No complaints, guys. It was totally worth it. I want to get more. I need to get cotton balls. Alright, that's good for now. Let's go, and well, we're gonna put deodorant. Oh shit, oh my god, deodorant too. Oh, there we go. Alright. I always brush my eyebrows, guys. It's like the one thing that I do if I'm not wearing any makeup. Every day, every night. Every time I wash my face, I brush my eyebrows. It makes a huge difference, guys. It's so crazy. Bam! And we're done for the day. Yes. That's it. This is the outfit. Just big t-shirt, shorts, and no makeup. We just got back from the doggy park. Ammo, you have fun. He's all out of breath, guys. I wish I would have brought my camera in there. I did bring my phone, and I'll put in some footage of the doggy park from my phone. I didn't want to walk in there like carrying a camera and like vlogging, because there's a lot of people there, and I got like shy. I got shy. I didn't want to be weird, but it was so cool. Every time we go to the dog park, there's nobody there really, which I really haven't been there. I've been there like 3 times. But today there was like everybody, and everybody already knows each other. So me and Emma walked in, and everybody, all the dogs came up to Emma. I wish I would have had on camera. Beautiful day, guys. I spent like 85. It's like 80 now, and it's like 5:30. So we're gonna go home. We're gonna go make some food, because we're not gonna get DoorDash and spend $100 freaking on a meal. We're just not gonna do that. We gotta save our money. So we're gonna see what we can make at home. But yeah, I'm glad he got out. We got to go out and go to the dog park. You ready to go home, babies? You need some water. Yeah, I'm not staying at the apartment. I just came here for the dog park because we're house sitting, and plus, yeah, there's really nothing to do here yet. I still need to set it up, so I'm just gonna go back to my sister's house. So I just tried this chicken meal that I got from Publix, and I kind of like ate it already, but I didn't want to tell you guys that it's actually fire. It's amazing. We got like mashed artichokes over here, which I've never like heard of or tried, and I love artichokes, guys. I've had like stuffed artichokes, never had them like mashed like this, and it's so good. Got green beans, grilled chicken, and then I put like a little side of ketchup on there because I love ketchup. But guys, today was the first day I went back to the gym. I just transferred my Planet Fitness membership over, so I'm just going there for now. But I am going to look into finding another gym, because I want to go to like an actual like athletic club, you know, where they have like the little smoothie stand, so I could get like a protein smoothie afterwards, and like just, you know, film and stuff for you guys, because I want to share my fitness journey with you guys. And I thought this would be perfect too, because I've been off for like a month. I've worked out like twice in 1 month, so I don't really count that, but basically starting over-ish. So I want to share that with you guys. Fitness has been my biggest passion since I was like 14. It was on and off during my, you know, 20, 21 days, but we're back, and this is something that I really want to share with you guys. So I hope you guys do enjoy it. I hope you guys are interested in seeing it, but I don't know. I guess we will see. and see where this journey takes us. Anyway guys, that's all for today's video. Peace out guys, have a good night or good day, good morning, I don't know, wherever you are, and I'll see you on the next video.